Okay. So a little bit of stirring and then a temperature.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't fall over.
Yeah, hang on to that so it doesn't fall over. Don't go over.
And you're coming my way first, right? You're doing that first? We'll throw way down from you.
Scoop it to the back there, Mike, so that that stuff's in the back, just in case, you know. Okay. Oh, it's on thick tape.
Fine, that's
I know, I got sausage stones right now. Oh, let's see. I can't push the button.
which one? Oh, 1%.
Because, that's, yeah.
You
Turn it on, no, turn it on.
push button and it turns it on.
Oh, it does? You got batteries. Okay, guys,
Hold on.
it's the temperature that it is. Okay, just spin the batteries. There you go. That's the only problem about getting $24 ones off Amazon. Okay, so in Celsius, we're talking 970, whatever that means.
So that's around
Okay, ready?
just under 5 degrees.
Okay, watch out, coming that way. Okay, get down, right over it. You go in a little bit. You have some room for your hands then.
Yep.
I'm going to give you a little bit of tip it, and then once it's stable, hit it hard. Keep going, go, faster, 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 and stop. Yeah. Okay, keep it a little longer. Now you got the idea on the first one. We're going to move this anyway. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. And then dump it.
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Faster, faster, faster. You can only go so fast because it overflows, because it was a crappy design on the mold. Okay, go ahead. Really hard. You go. Yeah, good. And stop. Okay, down. Now, you might not be able to see it, so hit real hard in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, hard. And stop. Perfect. Oh, it's okay, awesome, guys. Ingot molds. Okay. Okay, stop for a second, then go over, and then next one. Dump it over, all the way over. Okay, good. Set her down on the piece right here. And let's scrape that real hard right now. Where's this?
Mike,